Okay. I'll be super gentle and I'll tell you everything I'm doing, okay?
Okay.
You put your arms down on the arm benches.
Oh, okay.
Okay. First I'll check your spine.
Oh.
Good?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Any pain or discomfort there?
No.
Okay. Pain or discomfort there?
No.
Okay. Pretty good at all this?
Yeah.
Did you get a little tension up here?
Yeah.
Not bad. You get tension in these guys?
Not really.
Okay. So the main thing, yeah, you're actually pretty good, but adjusting feels good. It just makes everything a little bit more loose. Okay. All right. I'm gonna do mid back first, okay?
Okay.
And your job is to, these guys can kind of relax here, perfect. Just breathe in for me. And out. Good, and exhale. Just relax. All right.
Wow.
You okay with that?
Yep.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do it gentle again, lower. Breathe in. And out. Okay. Great. Better than you thought?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna stretch this part over gentle, okay?
Okay.
And breathe in. And out. Here we go. Not too bad. This side too. Breathe in. And out. There we go.
Oh, wow. That was great.
Turn on your side. Face me over here. Nice. Sometimes you don't have to have like, chiropractic's great just because you know we're always full. So you don't always have to have pain. Bend this guy. Kind of shift you around here. I'm gonna bring you closer this way. Thanks. I'm gonna stretch low back, okay?
Got it.
Nice and easy. Breathe in. And out. Great.
Oh, wow. That was a
I heard it
lot.
out here.
Yeah. That's
This
great.
side. Okay, I'm gonna bend here. Here. This goes here. Okay. Great. Same thing. Breathe in. And out. Other side's tighter. Breathe in again. And out. I'll just gently stretch. Nice.
Oh.
Okay, super easy on your neck, okay?
Mhm.
Your job is just to relax. Breathe in, please. And out.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wow.
You okay?
Mhm.
Can you taste it?
Not really.
I
I
couldn't.
don't know what you mean, but
I've never heard that, but I like
Yeah.
it. I'm like, cool. I don't know what I just lodged. Like, poor girl, you next thing. Okay, this side too. You're doing great. Breathe in. And out. And rest. Ooh. Good job. This feels good. Okay. All right, you're good to go.
that was great.
Yeah.
Wow.
You were so